You are audible.
Yes, yes.
I'm not audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes, I can see. Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Now I can hear you.
Okay,
Before a
okay,
while, I was unable to hear you. But now I can hear you.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay. Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. So tell me, how are you? I think you are new to talk
Yes.
with me.
My God, after so long time, now today I could talk with you.
Oh, you speak English very amazingly. You speak English very amazingly. Your English is great. I think you are good speaker. You are advanced speaker, I think. When I heard you. Yes.
Okay, thank you, but I don't know. Uh, okay, so please tell me something. What's going on nowadays?
Nowadays in my area, what is going on, I think you must know. I think you know very well that nowadays in my area, in the field, people are cutting the paddy. Do you know paddy? What is
Yeah.
called paddy?
Yes, I know.
Yes, yes. The paddies are being harvested in my area, nowadays.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the season to cut.
Yes, yes, that's why, that's why. But now I got time to talk with you. So because already I think I told you by sending message on Skype that please be ready at 11 a.m. So you got ready. Now you called at the right time.
Yeah, because yeah, I was waiting for so long for you. That day you before today you messaged me for conversation, but I had no time for that time. So today you messaged me, so I was totally excited and happy also to talking with you. For so long I was waiting. So you are so busy guy. You stay whole day busy. So what kind of work do you do?
I do lots of work, I do lots of work. So if you ask me what types of work do you do, so I will tell you definitely. Nowadays, I'm a student also. I study in school in 9th standard. I study, yes. But now my holidays are going on. That's why I am not going to school. But after 1 days, my school will be started. Again, I will start going to school. Nowadays, if you will ask about my work, I do, paddy related work also and study and at home also. Sometimes, mostly I work like my work is to study, and learn new thing from social media knowledge. I want to become knowledgeable person, intelligent person. That's why new types of thing, different kinds of thing I keep on learning from social media. I don't waste my time also, and I learn because sometimes I think so lots of people they keep on watching what bad types of video, through which you can't like no one can get like good thing, right? But I don't watch that kinds of video through which I can get knowledge, like which will help me in my life. So that kinds of video I keep on watching on YouTube. Yes.
Yeah. So, how do you manage your whole day? What work you do for whole day from since morning to night? I want
I
to
do
know
lots
your
of work,
routine.
from morning nowadays. What will I do? In the morning, I do nothing. Yes. In the morning time, I do nothing. Mostly, what will I say nowadays? I think decoration is going on. Right? Do you know decoration of
Okay.
house? Yes. New
Yes, yes.
festival,
What
what
purpose?
will I say? Festival. Do you know festival? One festival is called of Adivasi. That is Sohrai. Do you know Sohrai?
I don't know. First time I heard about
The
this.
yes, the Sohrai festival is approaching, getting closer. So for that we are preparing. Means we are decorating house. Right.
Okay,
In
great.
January, that will be people will dance, and my guest will come to my home and they will see my house. That's why now we have started decorating house also.
Okay, what kind of you are decorating with lights
Decoration,
or
what will I,
something?
I will paint the house and I do lots of like decoration. You can consider like what will I say, paper. Decoration. I think will get in market, right? That kinds of decoration thing I will buy and then I will decorate the house like this. I do. But now I
Lights,
got you
flower.
know, yes, yes. Now I took break. Now my sister is decorating at home. He's at home now.
Okay.
Yes,
So, she is younger or elder than you?
she is younger than me. She is younger than me. Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. So, what kind of practice do you for improving your English?
I do lots of practice where. So I will tell you one by one. Yes. then you will
Yeah.
understand my way very well. So I will tell you. First way, I am talking with people, right? First way, I'm talking with people on Skype application. In application, I am talking because there are lots of application are available to talk and to improve communication skill in English language. Because you know very well about English is what will I say? Communication language, right? Like if you know English language, then you can communicate with lots of people. So that's why I learned this language. And first way I told you on Skype application I'm talking, and second way at home by using mobile camera. Like I will turn on mobile
Okay.
camera and already I will take and discuss about topic over which topic I have to speak today. So I will speak over
Okay.
that topic in front of the camera, and I will record and then I listen and I improve what pronunciation. Pronunciation means I can speak clearly, so that I improve.
Mm,
Like this I do.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So do you do for improve your vocabulary something? Do you watch any kind of videos?
Yes,
Vocabulary is
yes.
very
Every day I
important.
keep on watching. Every day I keep on watching vocabulary related video. If you will not watch,
Mm,
so how will you learn? And if you will not keep down, like not down, you can consider. Like I think lots of vocabulary videos are available on YouTube, but it depends
mm,
on your way, that in which way you are learning vocabulary. Some people, like when they have to learn vocabulary, they search on YouTube from here and there. They are getting
mm,
vocabulary and they are writing and they are learning. So I think that way is bad. But if I will tell you right way to learn all vocabulary, as many vocabulary are available in the world of English, if
mm,
you want to learn also, you have to search like this. You have to take any topic first of all, and over that topic you have to search vocabulary. Suppose you want to know about vocabulary about winter season, right? ठंडा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, कहर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, कोहरा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, and others,
yes.
धुआंसा को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. So how do you like this, you can search about winter vocabulary. And if you want to know about गर्मी के बारे में, summer vacation, summer मतलब summer vocabulary, गर्मी के दिन को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, लू को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. Like this you can
Yes.
search one by one and you will learn lots of vocabulary about doctor, about bank, अकाउंट को इंग्लिश, खाता को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. Like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Everything
Okay,
you
I
will learn.
want to
Yes.
know from you how do you motivate yourself? Because motivation is very important to keep motivating your ourselves. So sometimes we can't motivate to ourselves. So how do you motivate?
Yes, yes. I'm such person. When I see any video which is new on YouTube, about which video I will think that is the best video for me, through which can
Mm,
I can learn. Like I will get motivation. So I must get motivation. And if you ask about my English, which I speak now, this language, I got motivation by myself, by watching lots of video on YouTube. Like I used to see people. Because now I'm in 9th class, and I keep on watching lots of video on YouTube. So I decided
yes,
I should also learn English language. So
yes.
that's why,
But
like when I was in 7th class, from that time, I had started learning this language. And, in the beginning time, what will I do? You can see this is forest. So in this forest,
mm,
I used to come, up to 30 minutes, I used to
yes,
make over
I
my
know.
spoken English language. That is a very funny way I told this story to many students by going in many schools. They were laughing at me. Laughing of me means like they were listening me carefully, and they were getting motivation that Jadu did this all thing that then he could learn this language because he used to go to the forest without, he didn't have what environment. That's why, he had made the environment the forest.
So I want to know why do you come in forest? You can talk in your home, in your village. So why do you come always in forest? Why do you choose?
I think you don't know, right? Because I think everyone knows this. That's why they are not doing in the village. But those who are
Hmm,
coming from village area, I think they must do this kinds of thing. They will get shy. They will fight shy. Means like they will. What will I say? People will make fun of them. Like want
hmm,
to become a speaker like this English speaker, want to speak English language like this. They think about me. So when I was beginner, that time when I was coming to the forest area, that time lots of people were
hmm.
thinking about him. Yadu is crazy nowadays. What types of work is he doing? And he has a YouTube channel also, and he's talking with people, he's uploading, and he's saying that I will earn money. I will earn money. But like they were thinking that Jadu will not get money, just like crazy types of mind he has. That's why he's telling all the time that Jadu will earn money. Jadu will earn money, because most of the people who are from village area, they don't know about YouTube. That YouTube is providing money also, and
Yes,
can
yes.
improve your English, and you can see your success in any field. if you will upload video. Suppose you are uploading conversation video, then you can see what video today you will upload. And if you will check your pronunciation today and your fluency today, and after today again you will upload that video. So also that video you will check that how did I speak. I think which video, after another video you will keep uploading. So in that video I think you will get better fluency of speaking English language, because day by day you are going to improve your English language. So that's why I had opened my channel, but now I got success. I have lots of subscribers. Yes, like this.
Okay, when you started YouTube and learning also, what purpose you started YouTube for, earning money or for improving or sharing your knowledge? What purpose you
Actually,
started?
actually, when I was opening YouTube channel, when I had opened my YouTube channel, I was not thinking about money. I was thinking about two, three things only. That is improving English, and people will know my talent. People will know my talent that I wanted only. But what will I say? Now I started getting money also, because I crossed that. What will I say? Criteria. Criteria mean, like YouTube. YouTube criteria means like which
Yes.
criteria YouTube has kept. Like you have to complete, then you will be eligible for earning money. So that I have completed. That's why now I started earning money, because most of people will not be able to complete 1,000 subscriber also, right?
Yeah.
It is very hard
So
to complete.
yes, how many months or year did you take for your complete that criteria?
So watch time. You are asking about watch time or what? About
Watch
which you are
time,
asking?
subscribe, everything.
Oh, so I think within 1 month, I could complete around 1,000 and monetize completely. And I started
Ah,
earning money in month of December. I had opened my channel on 15 October 2023, and in month of December I had started earning money. First payment from YouTube I was given. I was provided by the YouTube.
okay. How many months? In 1 month.
Yes, yes, yes. In 1 month, I started earning money.
Oh my
Around.
God. It's really, you are intelligent. Nobody can't in
Because
1 month.
you know very well that time, when I was coming on YouTube, when I had come on YouTube first time, that time, there was less competition. Competition means like in my field, no one was making this kinds of video. But lots of people were having conversation, they were talking in English, they were making video, but they were not walking like me, as I'm walking like blogging types of video like this. So that time, there was less competition in this field. That's why I got viral suddenly and started money, it's earning money. And people started knowing me. Jadu's way is unique, like this.